Welcome to Whiteland Aspen, a world which is waiting for a discerning buyer as you. Sectors 75 and 76 are part of the famed DLF ecosystem, and we firmly believe that Aspen in Sector 76 is positioned just right to ride on this wave. Connectivity has also shaped very well with easy access to NH48, Southern Peripheral Road, Sona Road and the Mumbai Expressway, making travel in and out of the area quite seamless. Within the development, the clubhouse is something we are particularly excited about. From dining spaces and a sports bar to wellness zones like meditation areas and a spa. At the same time, there is a strong focus on active living with indoor and outdoor sports, including a bowling alley, gaming zone, tennis and pickleball.
The strength of Aspen lies in the quality of consultants and technical experts advising the project, like architect Hafiz Contractor and Wintech. With Ahluwalia Contracts and Kapurji Palonji, we are confident of delivering a high quality product. Grandeur at Aspen is achieved through volume and proportions. The landscape is designed with a layered approach. The entire landscape master plan has been crafted by Christopher Jones of Oracle's Landscape.
Hi, I'm Aruni Sharma. I'm representing Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited. We are more than 5-decade-old organization of delivering complex, high-quality projects across India. We are listed across all major stock exchanges. We are working for one of the most premier residential projects with the likes of DLF Dahlias, DLF Arbor, Western Residences. We partner only where the vision is clear and quality is non-negotiable, and that is where we feel that Aspen stood out, because Whiteland's philosophy aligns closely with our belief in how buildings should be conceived and executed with precision, discipline and long-term performance in mind. The emphasis on detailing, quality benchmarks, process-driven execution, consulting collaboration and a strong commitment to timely delivery makes Aspen a natural fit for us.
I bring with me over 35 years of project management experience, having worked with leading brands such as DLF. From construction methodology to steel reinforcement and execution processes, every step follows strict quality benchmarks.
In high-rise developments, mechanical, electrical and plumbing systems play a critical role in long-term performance. At Aspen, excellence is driven by thoughtful execution, not marketing claims. We believe in delivering on our promises and truly walking the talk.
In terms of progress, construction is moving very well. We are on track for structural completion by mid-2026. As of now, we are looking at an overall completion and possession around December 2027. Whiteland Aspen will be delivered exactly the way we promised it to be, with the entrance being from the main Darbaripur road for the entire Whiteland development. For those of you who are investors, our advice is hold on. The true value, the true potential is yet to be unlocked. And for those of you who are end users like me, well, the best is yet to happen.